Hey, looking for some tips on how to adapt your course sequence? Here's what I learned when enrolling with the help of my regional mentor. First, always check your course sequence. It shows you which courses you should take for your program and in which term you should take them. It also considers prerequisites and all your program requirements. You'll see it suggest 5 or 6 courses per term. When transfer credits you have received match up with a course from your sequence, they don't need to be taken again. So, to match the recommended course load per term, you may need to move courses from later in your sequence. To choose which courses to move, you can look for compulsory or optional courses for which you have the prerequisites. To see if you have the prerequisites, you can use your program's catalog and select the course code. You can also move up your electives. They often don't require prerequisites, like the ones on the electives without prerequisites page. Your suggested course sequence considers what term courses are typically offered, so it's best to keep courses in the suggested order when possible. Be sure to remember that the course code indicates the year of study. But if you have the prerequisites, you can take any level of course in any year. So it's normal if you're admitted with a year's worth of courses to have some 1,000 level courses to complete. As always, feel free to email your mentors at mentors@uottawa.ca with any questions.